Vai mutuka wala zese, vai mushauja wani seguru mpa. Akashi mamila karara mbongo. Awar gupi. Awar gupi. Awar gupi. Changara.
But nyaya iripo chete tinangotadzira protocol because we are loyal atisevanhu veyo kuti toita snitch nyaya iripo mukoma tisamaona tavakirwa studio mukoma because vari kuda kuti zvirambe zvikondini. That's his wish. That was his wish.
This man has been declared a liberation hero. What that means is his status has changed. And he is now a property of the state. Pane nzvimbo dzaanga akataura and pane nzvimbo dzakawanda dzaifanira kuenda. But panoita inonzi security assessment. And at the end of the day, we are not just talking about the security of the body. We are even talking about the security of the public. I'll give you an example. The body was being escorted in armed police. If anything had happened, tikapinda munzvimbo dzakanyanya kumanikidzika pakazopedzera padirwa tear gas kana kupfurwa munhu, this is not what we want. So we had to, even route yatatora, we had to debate over it. Do we go through this route? Kana kuti toenda direct. And we made a compromise. But we go through the route which we deem is the safest in the public interest and in the interest of preserving the event, because this is a state event. And I'm sure Nemiwo Shabari Zake Nyamazaka, you would not want a bad incident to be associated with the funeral. So as we grieve, let us maintain cool heads, level heads. Moedu Ashika, Pamba, and it. We are going to hold an all-night vigil for him. We are also going to debate and decide on the route at Chatora, Chienda Mangwana. Maybe we can also compromise, but in one of those places, as we go Kwenda Kumakura, we can pass the Thank you. Shamwari the soldier love. And also, let me also explain. We considered Kutinas Ifrite. Sometimes it came with traffic build up in Onetsa. This is why we came in earlier than what we had planned. And also, deliberately from a security point of view, we launched earlier because that is how to talk about problems. One thing that I am done almost 30 years is VIP protection. You don't move with a VIP Kwashiba. And it basic principles. So we needed to do everything during daylight. And I want to thank Mapuri.